weird sound. But hello, and I'm glad that you clicked on this video. In the introduction, you saw me submitting a research project in the course of Work and Society. That was my first out of 3 exams in total that I have throughout these 3 days. Today is a new day and therefore also a new exam, and the one I have today is in the course of Environment and Sustainability. Though the crazy thing about it is that it starts at 7 p.m. tonight. It's insane to schedule an exam for that late in the evening, I think. Another thing that's also kind of crazy is that I only have 2 weeks left here in Vancouver before I fly back home to Denmark. And I don't think I have fully understood that my exchange is coming to an end. But as John Keary, the guy from Stranger Things, sings, this is only the end of the beginning. I feel the same way. Anyway, let's head to the library and chill for a bit. Aim not to put on too much mental or cognitive load, because I believe that's the key for doing good in exams. Though it is a bit wild that I, in this case, can't really do anything productive until tonight. It's a bit like being a professional footballer. A bit, not really, just a bit, right? I guess you can still hear them in the background. They are continuing their singing. It's such a nice experience. But anyway, I am in the Pacific Spirit Regional Park, which is a green area surrounding the UBC campus. It's my first time being in this park. I guess I would have been here a lot more if I lived on campus, because then I could do runs and hikes in this park whenever I needed some time off. Altogether, I just wanted to visit this park before I was going back home to Denmark. And this is maybe my last opportunity, because it's the day of my last exam in anthropology, and after today I don't really have an incentive to go out to the UBC campus anymore. So it's kind of sad, but also not that sentimental. Before I get to sit down and celebrate that I don't have school until February, I need to crush this exam. And I think I need a Tim Hortons coffee first though, because I haven't had any coffee today. And if you know me, then it's actually a bit crazy that I can stand here right now, present something to you without having my caffeine fix. Shall we find a large Tim Hortons coffee, please? I can use that. And I also just realized, thinking about what I've recorded for this video so far, I already had Tim Hortons maybe like a minute ago in this video. So it's a duplicate situation, and fucking oxygen, let's go. I am back home in the apartment in downtown Vancouver now, and I am just super relieved that the exam is finally over, and now I can just enjoy the rest of my time here in Vancouver, really extracting the last liquids of the lemon fruit, metaphorically being Vancouver. I don't know what I am saying right now. I'm just super excited about what's happening tonight, and that is that I'm going to East Vancouver, or as the area is called in like beer groups, Yeast Van, and yeast because beer is made out of yeast, or that's one of the ingredients. I'm going there actually by myself, which is also a bit weird, but it's okay. It's interesting. It's a challenge. The reason why I'm going alone though is that the people around me are still having their exams, and I must admit that my network here is also fairly limited, so not that many people I could ask, but the people that I asked didn't have the opportunity to go. So I'll be going by myself. It's going to be interesting, as I said. I'll just relax for now, for an hour or so, eat some carrots with some hummus, the ultimate snack if you ask me, and then let's head to East Vancouver to try some craft beers at the local breweries. What's not to like? As we say in Danish, skål.
Looked up how bad you've been doing it, and then you realize, like, oh god, yeah,
I'm just finishing it.
Do I have to finish it?
You don't have to. You can just have a sip,
Okay. Oh wow, that's mean.
I will admit that today is a few days after my exam celebrations I did with the beer tour, and I of course ended up having a really nice time, especially at the Storm Brewing, where they had this kind of reception in their actual brewing, and I got in talk with some nice people, and overall just amazing how I can go out by myself and actually still enjoy it. I think it was an accomplishment. Today I am focusing on doing or completing a different type of accomplishment, indeed hiking the Stawamus Chief. I'm not quite sure if I'm able to do all of the 3 peaks in time, because I have a bus going back home to Vancouver in the afternoon, and it's around 9 a.m. right now. Like the Stawamus Chief hike, or the Chief as the locals call it here, is a hike that's located just south of the city of Squamish. I have no clue if you're able to see this here. You can see Squamish, and then just south of that is the hike itself, and you can also see some info about it here. It will probably be my last hike on this exchange semester program thing, whatever you want to call it. It has the potential to be a really beautiful hike, because already now I can stand here and observe the mountains in front of me with the lots of snow on them, and also a good way to say goodbye to the Canadian nature for now. It's snowing. I'm nearly there. Just have to focus a bit more, and then it's bagel time with avocado and chicken. What is this? Good view though. I need to put my camera away ASAP. I made it to second peak. This looks absolutely crazy. Not the best view though, but that's where a good imagination comes into action. I think I'll find some shelter under a tree and then, yeah, enjoy some food. There we have it, my friends. And as you know, never go down on chicken or protein. On the weather forecast, it didn't say any snow. We still made it. All good. It's all good, man. This is the Depeche Mode. Enjoy the silence. I think they were writing the song up here at the second peak at Stawamus Chief. It was a good hike. Of course, the view from up there was not the greatest, but I'm still really glad that I did it on my own. But nonetheless, I'm happy that you made it all the way to this point in the video. That indicates that you have enjoyed it, and if you have, I would be happy if you liked the video, and even happier if you subscribe to my channel. There are a few video left here from Vancouver before I go back to my friends and family. I'll make sure that I get the most out of the last two videos. So don't stop don't stop watching my videos, because it's only the beginning of my time here on YouTube. I enjoy doing videos and I enjoy editing them after, and I enjoy the response from you guys. So I would love to have some response on my videos if you have the energy to do so. But until my next video, take care and have a good time.